I know things have been hard on you lately, and you have been struggling to keep your head above water. One thing after the other, one hurdle after the next. It has worn you down, beaten you up, and left you mentally exhausted. But this morning, I'm speaking to you and I'm saying, hang in there. It doesn't storm forever. Though you may think it or feel like it does, but I promise you this morning, it does not storm forever. You have reached the end of each day, simply feeling weary. Even laying down on your bed, you lay there and worry endlessly about the many problems or issues that you're facing. But I say to you this morning, stop and take a deep breath. You're going to get through all of this. You have always gotten over whatsoever the devil presents to you. Guess what? You're still here. You're still breathing. You're still above ground, standing. So you're here for a purpose. God kept you for a purpose. I know you feel like you don't have time for yourself, but I'm telling you to make a little time just for you. Make a little time for yourself to unwind, just to stop and take a breather and to rest your weary soul. Taking a 15 minutes break each day for yourself can be a life changer. You can stop surviving your days and actually start thriving instead. Stop, stop, I repeat, stop beating up yourself for messing up or making mistakes, or for not being able to do everything or be there for everyone. Remember this morning, you're just one person and you're doing your utmost best. So on your way to being busy, you have forgotten how to be yourself. You have forgotten how to be happy. So this morning, do the little things that fill your soul and give you that small space you need to rekindle your spirit. So start enjoying a cup of tea quietly, or basically sit in your couch and watch your favorite TV show. Call up a friend that you miss and basically say hi to them. Changing your life isn't about being awesome or making all the big changes all the time. Sometimes it's about doing the simple things you need to be happy, so you can be your very best every day. You might just find on your way of seeking that joy and simple happiness that something great and unexpected will happen. You'll start feeling that spark you haven't felt in such a long time by doing this. And that's what you truly need to start being alive each and every day. Slowly rediscovering that fire that you have lost. The world needs more people that are on fire like what you once were. Now it's time to take back your life and let that spark breathe hope into your hurting heart. Take a chance this morning, make a choice, and rise like the phoenix you were born to be. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.